Hello everyone, welcome to this series where I will be taking you through all the updates of Linux. Today we are going to explore whether 2024 will be a game-changing year for Linux. I will talk about different aspects which might see improvement this year, and wait until the last one because there's good news for all gamers out there. Let's get started. First, let's address the massive growth of artificial intelligence or AI. In 2023, the landscape of artificial intelligence underwent significant transformations. People started to realize its potential. One notable player was Mozilla, committing a substantial $30 million to launch an AI-focused startup called Mozilla.ai. This startup focuses on open-source AI solutions, aiming to make generative AI safer, more transparent, and people-centric. Another milestone was the AI Alliance. IBM and Meta launched the AI Alliance, a collaboration of over 50 founding members globally, including prestigious universities, startups, non-profit organizations, and renowned industry giants. Some of them are AMD, Cornell University, Imperial College of London, Intel, Oracle, and CERN, among a few. Their goal is to nurture open innovation, scientific advancement, and enhance security and AI. While there are individual companies working on open source, the AI Alliance community can innovate faster and more inclusively due to collective efforts. We hope open source and AI will see more developments in 2024, and it can open up endless possibilities for Linux distributions. As we look back at 2023, we can see some major changes in user interface, such as GNOME 45 feature update that includes a new workspace indicator, enhancements in Nautilus, and updates to existing apps. These changes mean that the Linux community is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of user interface design, making Linux even more attractive and user-centric. One instance of redesigning user interface is Rhino Linux, where developers have added a tool to the top bar for a quick glance at home directory. Moreover, when you first run Rhino Linux, you will be greeted with a window that lets you choose your preferred package manager, be it Snap, Flatpak, App Images, or all three. Another example is the beta release of Vanilla Orchid 2. It introduces a new wallpaper, user-friendly installer, and a seamless first setup experience. Next up on the UI improvement is the highly anticipated KDE Plasma 6, which is set to release in late February 2024. This desktop environment is built on top of Qt 6 and promises a bunch of exciting features. 2023 marked an incredible year for Wayland. Collabora, the company behind the development of Wine's driver Wayland, emphasized on some crucial areas, such as basic window management, software rendering, mouse and keyboard support. They also strived for 3D graphics API, Vulkan, and high DPI for high resolution. Now, as we step into 2024, Collabora has set its sight on elevating the Wayland experience even further. Here are the key areas they plan to focus on, like the emulation of display mode changes, bringing OpenGL support for 2D and 3D vector graphics, expanding window management capabilities, enhancing clipboard and drag-and-drop functionalities, and robustness improvements. Finally, the exciting part, Linux gaming, an area that has seen its fair share of challenges in the past. But thanks to Wine, Valve's Proton, SteamOS, Linux gaming has gained momentum, capturing the attention of developers worldwide. The Linux gaming landscape is evolving, and it's set to continue in 2024. We have seen several games compatible with Linux. Native games have found their home on platforms like SteamOS, itch.io, and GOG.com. Moreover, the open-source gaming tool Bottles is on a mission to enhance the user experience. With Go as its development language, Bottles is working on making the backend independent of GUI and redesigning the user interface. 2 modes of usage, Next mode for beginners and Classic mode for advanced users, are under plans. And the Bottles team is exploring the Electron road while also developing a GTK client for the new structure. Meanwhile, Wine developers are delving into the archives to resurrect a classic. They are working to make the 1997-era Nuclear Strike game playable on Linux. Overall, the future of Linux gaming looks promising. With ongoing compatibility improvements, the Linux gaming community is in for a treat. So will 2024 be the year for Linux? Only time will tell. With increasing demand for open source solutions and cutting-edge innovation, we are expecting the Linux market to grow immensely in 2024. The scenarios we explored today are just a fraction of what the Linux landscape holds. Are there any specific area you're excited about or hoping to see further improvements? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Linux updates.